Life is like a river that never stops flowing. From the moment we are born, we enter this river, and we are carried forward day by day. The water keeps moving whether we are ready or not. Sometimes the river is calm, shining like glass under the sunlight. In those moments, life feels easy, full of joy, and we feel safe. But sometimes the river becomes wild with waves, storms, and noise. In those moments, life feels heavy, confusing, and even frightening. Just like a river cannot stay still forever, our life cannot always be easy or always be hard. It changes, and we must learn to change with it. When the river meets stones and rocks, it does not stop flowing. It touches the rocks, breaks into smaller streams, and finds another path forward. The water does not argue with the rock, it simply continues its journey. We too must do the same. When problems or failures come into our lives, we should not stop moving. Instead, we must find another way, another idea, another chance. This is how we grow stronger. Every difficulty is like a rock in the river. It may slow us down for a while, but it cannot end our journey. If you sit beside a river and watch carefully, you will see that every drop of water is moving forward. Not a single drop stays in one place forever. This is also true for our happiness and sadness. When we are happy, the moment passes like flowing water. When we are sad, that too will pass, even if it feels endless. Nothing in life stays forever. This truth is painful, but also beautiful. It means we must enjoy our happiness deeply, and also remember that our pain will not last. Life is also like a river because it teaches us patience. Water never hurries, but it always reaches the sea. In the same way, we do not need to rush in everything. If we keep moving step by step, with patience and courage, we will arrive at the place we are meant to be. Many people give up too early because they want quick results. But the river reminds us that slow and steady movement is powerful. Even the strongest rock is shaped and softened by patient water. The river also reflects the sky. When the sky is clear, the river shines blue and calm. When the sky is cloudy, the river looks dark and heavy. This is like our mind. If our thoughts are peaceful, life feels beautiful. But if our thoughts are full of anger, jealousy, or fear, then life feels heavy. To make life lighter, we must learn to clear our thoughts, just as the sky clears after a storm. A pure mind reflects peace, just as the river reflects sunlight. So, what does this mean for us? It means we must live with awareness. We must notice how time flows, how moments change, and how every day is part of our journey. We must learn to accept both joy and pain as travelers on the same road. We must remember that every rock can be crossed, every wave can be faced, and every calm moment should be enjoyed. If we live with patience, courage, and hope, the river of life will always carry us forward to new places, new lessons, and new beginnings.